The preschool teacher begins the year with routines, no? Gradually releasing control to children, meaning gradually paunti-unti. This pattern mirrors which instructional model? Is it letter A, gradual release of responsibility? Letter B, direct instruction model? Letter C, spiral curriculum approach? Or letter D, behavior modification sequence? Okay? So yung gradual release of responsibility po is maaari po natin siyang i-associate sa tinatawag nating scaffolding, no? Dito po yung pumapasok yung I do, si teacher muna. We do, gagawin natin yan, teacher with the students, and then you do. Okay, you do, sila na lang yung gagawa. Okay, gradual, paunti-unti. Yung direct instruction model po is yan po yung tinatawag natin na tell, show, and then you drill. So this is more on teacher-centered, no? So walang control si learner dito. Si teacher ang bahala, si teacher lahat. Kapag po spiral curriculum ang pinag-uusapan natin, that is the widening and deepening of knowledge. So mahari po natin halimbawa dyan is yung K-12. Kapag behavior modification sequence naman po, dito po, no? So antecedent, behavior, and consequence. Dito, nag-focus po tayo sa pag-change or pag-modify ng behavior ng isang bata sa pamamagitan po ng reinforcement, pamamagitan ng consequences, pero wala pong shared control dyan. Okay? Sumusunod lang si learner kung ano yung pinapagawa ni teacher. Okay? So that is behavior modification sequence. So among those, the only fit answer here is letter A. Okay, letter A po ang tamang sagot. Gradual release of responsibility. So tupak yay!